How to add pre-order button to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a pre-order button on your Shopify store. So it's very easy. First, you can open your Shopify dashboard and then go to your settings here in the bottom left corner. And then as you can see, there is apps and sales channels. You can click it. And then you can go to your Shopify app store here. You can click it. And in this page, you can just search pre-order. And then for this video, I'm gonna use this one, easy pre-order, this one. So just click it. And then you can read the description and you can just click install here. And then you can just click install again. After that, in this page, you can just click enable theme extension here. You can click it. After that, you can click save. And you can go back to the page and then click add products here. And then you can choose the products you want. You can just click check for the product and then click save. And after that, you can just click it and then click edit. And for the pre-order rules, you can choose whatever you want. I will just click always here and then click save. So yeah, that's it. How to add pre-order button to your Shopify store.